Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to this new vlog. I'm all ready. I didn't shoot the morning shows today because I was running late as usual. So I didn't shoot anything in the morning. So now I'm ready. As I said in yesterday's vlog that we have an invite, basically a vegetarian Italian restaurant. So that's where we are heading to, and it's a couple invite. So Vipul and I are going together. So yes, that's it. I will give you a sneak peek of whatever happens there, and yeah, nothing else otherwise. So I'll come back and see you guys. See you. So yes, we reached Riso and we could conveniently locate the place. The place instantly gave me very bright and positive vibes due to the color. It is a casual dining place and certainly a good place to hang out with friends and family. And best thing is it can accommodate large group as well. I just fell in love with the ambience and interiors. Just loved it. Very simple yet very elegant, and it is basically very beautifully done and is a very photogenic place as well. Very bright, very well lit and colorful. It gave me positive vibes throughout the dining experience. We girls are having so much fun and clicking pictures for our Instagram as well. Now these are some of my favorite dishes. That pizza is something that most of us loved. We all loved it, and the moment it was served to us, it had that divine smell. And the sizzler also, the Mexican rice was spicy and I liked the flavors. So we are by now done eating and the husbands had a very good time. They had a good bonding together. Time to leave, and that group picture is a must everywhere. So yes friends, we are back home after the lunch and we had a lovely time, and we were there for almost 3 hours. We reached the place at around 12 and left from there around 3, so almost 3 hours. And we had a good time. Met my friends and they had come with their husbands, so people had a chance to meet them as well. So it was a good time. And when talk about the place, it is a place, as I said before leaving, that it is a veg Italian restaurant. But after reaching there, we realized that it also had some Mexican and Thai dishes. So basically, they also had some Asian dishes. जो हमने try की थी. And then talking about the place, it was very beautifully done. The decor, the ambience, very simple decor and yet very bright and colorful, and it was very nicely done. The overall ambience was good and very photogenic, I can say. And we clicked so many pictures. Actually Vipul is never a photo person, but he too clicked a lot of pictures. It is a very photogenic place, so we like that vibe of the place. And when it comes to food, तुम्हें क्या अच्छा लगा?
I like pizza, and then I liked nachos.
Okay.
And the paneer was good.
पनीर के बहुत सारे स्टार्टर्स थे. देयर वर मेनी स्टार्टर्स, आई मीन पनीर बेस्ड स्टार्टर्स, एंड they were good. So someone who is not very fond of spicy food will definitely like this place because it had that authentic Italian taste and flavors. It wasn't very spicy. So that was about the starters. And yes, I too loved the pizza. The pizza was very delicious, and pasta bhi acha tha. Mexican rice, the sizzler. Yeah, he didn't like the pasta much. I liked it, and we both loved. I mean, all of us loved the pizzas. All whoever were there, we all loved the pizzas. That was very yummy. And Mexican rice wala sizzler acha tha. तुमने नूडल खाए उसमें से. So they had a sizzler with Mexican rice and some noodles and paneer. So that was very yummy, and that was spicy, so that was apt for my taste buds. And then we also tried some Mongolian noodles with veggies. वो भी अच्छा था.
That was okay.
वो भी बहुत अच्छा था. So yes, and in dessert we had
The one which with the bread was very tasty. don't know, I forgot the name.
Fondue, हाँ, with the cheesy sauce ना, हाँ, वो बहुत अच्छा था.
Broccoli.
With broccoli, sauté broccoli and baby corn etc. वो बहुत अच्छा था. Yeah. Overall, the vibe of the place was very nice. अच्छा था. So yes, this is a place I would recommend, and I will write in the description box about the dishes that I would recommend personally that I really liked. And someone who likes spicy food should go and try those dishes that I mentioned in the description box. So overall, it was a nice place and it was pure vegetarian. So I'm sure people will prefer and go. Yeah, so that's all for now. Now, as I always say, that once I come back home, all I crave for is a cup of chai. So we are going to have a cup of chai now. I will change and then I will get to my work, that is posting yesterday's vlog, posting my Instagram picture, and sending a couple of mails. I need to send a couple of mails to brands. That's all as of now. Okay, so Vipul would like to add a point here which is very, very important.
It's not so costly. It's
Pocket
medium
friendly.
range. Yeah, it's pocket friendly, and I think it is affordable. As an Italian restaurant is very costly. If you see Queen Center and all,
Yeah,
those are very
yeah.
costly. Compared to that, this is much cheaper.
So yes, I would agree to that. I would agree to Vipul that when compared to other veg, not just veg, other Italian restaurant in town, this is much pocket friendly and gives, and ambience wise also it's good, and taste wise also I would give them good rating. So yes, so Riso is the place that we went to, and it is in Kilpark, Barnaby Road. Yeah, that's all. So see you soon. I'm ending this vlog here, friends. So do like, share and subscribe if you like this video, and click on the bell icon to get notified. Also follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.